Well, let's just do a little walk around of this 3-horse Fairbanks. It's built in 1920. It's a 3-horse Model Z. Throttling governor. Come from Bob Ludolf's sale. Just missing the crank guard. Pretty well complete. It's got a rotary mag on it now. It's got a curved spoke pulley. There it is. Well, let's learn how to start this puppy. I guess the first thing I do is oil things down a little. I'm gonna give the valves a little oil. I'm kind of an overachiever in the oil. I don't want them to get stuck and rusty again. Little points here. Shoot a little oil back in there. Just on anything that might move a little bit. Anything that's got a pivot point. Just a little drip once in a while. Never hurts nothing. Because if you don't oil things, that's when the things happen. Things start binding, and I put a little oil in the gears, not too carried away. The drip oiler, about 6 drips a minute, approximately. If she needs a little more, you can always add more as she's running. You'll be able to tell. So there we go. Lubricated down. Well, we got grease cups. Give them each a little turn. Those are the mains, these two, and this one's the rod. And piston gets its oil from the drip oiler. There's a hole in the piston that drips down and gets the wrist pin. So, all right. First step in this whole procedure will be to we got to turn our needle valve. Green mark forward is off. Seems like to start, maybe 3/4 of a turn, might be a little too much. Still learning. Turn the drip oiler on. Now he's come from the passenger side. Give her about 3 flips. Comes up to compression, you don't have to work at it. I think 3/4 of a turn is too much. We'll check here and see. Yep. Looks like maybe about a 1/4 turn on to start it. Also, half a turn or 3/4 there was way too much fuel. Flooded her out there first. Got a little gear noise, but that won't be too bad of a deal. They don't give much problems. Some of them are. You can always use a little heavier oil on the gears if you need to. The shutter off. See? Got a little, I flooded it, I got a little gas down in here, so it's burning that up first. So if you do flood it, it'll puddle up a little bit of fuel in there. So that's why it kept running for a little bit. Anyway, 1 3-horse ready to go home to Mark. One last thing. You know, I always forget to shut that off. That makes a mess. Well, for grins and giggles, let's try a little different setting on this needle valve. Turn the oiler back on. We'll go about a quarter turn right where she likes to run at. And see what she does. Turn on and she'll start there too. When it's cold, you might have to give it a little bit more or a couple more flips to go, but I don't know, seems like she's starting pretty good.